I'm gonna
All right.
eat this one egg.
Good morning, girls and boys. So welcome to our maths class, Standard 5. I believe this is our lesson 6, okay? But it's continuing with subtraction, okay? We are supposed to do word problems today, but we will start our class with some quizzes on subtraction. So the link is found. Go to your chat, okay? Click on the link and you will find the first quiz. Always remember the code, the last 3 digits, 795. So the next quiz that I will give you will be of a different code, so you will know. Okay, so all the best, and I'll pause the video until we see you in about 5 minutes. I'm recording. So this is our results for the first quiz, which is subtraction 07. You're supposed to have done this mentally. And over here, so far, yeah, Kyle has done it as well now. Let's refresh and see. 4 still, okay? And these are the questions. It looks pretty easy. It's actually not that difficult. They're all minusing in tens, okay? Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 from a 3-digit number. Now, Durgesh, tell me, how did you do it? For example, 600 mentally, 683 minus 20. I'm just going to explain just one question on the techniques. What technique did you use to do this?
I just simply press and I
Simply
got 8
press.
out
Oh
of
my.
10.
Tell me again.
I just simply press and I got 8 out of 10.
Did you really do it at all?
I actually did it. I just
Did you
simply press.
guess? You just simply press all the answers.
Yes.
There's a lot of guessing work there, and
I
it's
did
lucky.
a careless mistake.
Yeah, that's not even, you didn't even, if you didn't even do it or mentally, how can you, how to say that you had a careless mistake? That's not a careless mistake then. Careless mistake is when
No,
you do it and you do it wrongly. Okay. All right. Guys, let's look at this. What's important over here is knowing your place values. For example, you're just going to take away 20 from 683. So look at the tens place, which is 80. And that 80 takes away 20 and you're going to get 60. That's pretty easy, to actually do mentally. And then all the other digits remain the same. You see that? So you only deal with the tens. Now let's clear this and do one more, one with borrowing. 246 minus 70. So how would I do this? Now, of course, you can do like this. Ones minus with the ones house mentally, which means I'm not writing down the standard written method. But how would I do it? Take the ones minus the ones. So 6 minus 0, of course, answer is 0. One's house done. Now, tens house is 4 minus 7. Of course, 4 cannot minus 7 because literally this is a small number. We are not yet in form 1. So when we deal with positive numbers, 4 minus 7, you can't do it. You will need to regroup or borrow. It will become 14 minus 7. And when that happens, the 2 becomes 1. The 200 becomes 100. So put your 100 down. And then 14 minus 7 can be done mentally. And 6 minus 0. Why did I write 0 there? It's supposed to be 6. Okay. So 176. Got it? Okay, learn to do questions mentally. So, for example, number 10, 422 minus 80. So 2 minus 0, it's 2 for the house of ones. Now 2 minus 8, that's where I've got to borrow. So this 4 will become 3. So my answer here will start with 300. And then this will become 12 minus 8, and that would give us 4. Do you understand? Can I have a thumbs up if you understood this technique? Okay, good. Thank you. Sudarshan, are you good? Are you all right? Good to go? Ilman?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Okay, good. Great. Now let's do the second quiz. Yes?
Teacher,
I done it already. Done already.
first question.
Done already. Okay, let me see. Let me see your results. Okay, let's see. We have 7 students. Well done. Okay, and at the top is Hajita, 42.5 seconds timing over here. Loisius, just a few seconds, 1 second plus. Sudarshan, 9, Ilman 9, Durgesh 8, Kyle 8, Famida is 6. Now, I believe there's a timer for this quiz. Did I put timer? Maybe. Okay, but if you have got 8 and below, like, you have to try this quiz again. I will give these links in the WhatsApp. Okay, Famida, try this again. All right. But remember, you are not supposed to use a pencil and paper. You're supposed to do this mentally. Okay. Now you guys go and try the second quiz. The link is also
Ah,
there.
I
Okay, I've
also
already given
done.
you the link.
I'm done
I'm
with
sorry
the
about that. Don't worry, you learn with careless mistake. Oh, you did it again
Teacher,
already. Well done. Okay, let me see.
I've done the second.
All right. Oh, but maybe the results are not showing up yet. Okay.
Yeah.
So go ahead and try the second quiz. Also to be done mentally.
I'm done.
Oh, 6 of you have done it. Okay. I'm sure you guys are not seeing the screen yet, so hold on.
No.
All right, these
Wait,
are your
where's my
results. Can
second
you see
rock
it now?
quiz?
Yes.
For the second quiz, we have Ilman topping at 25 seconds, followed by Aloysius, followed by Durgesh. Durgesh, did you guess? Or did you do it?
I did it. I didn't guess.
Did it. Good. Famida, well done. Now, Sudarshan, good. Who's missing? Hajita is still missing. Okay. Yeah, she's gonna. All right. Sudarshan. Okay, good. Now, this one is taking off or borrowing or reducing in hundreds. Okay. Again, you're going to work with the house of hundreds. Hundreds, pretty easy here because really there's no borrowing or exchanging involved. Do you understand when I say borrowing or exchanging? Do you know what it means? Good. Durgesh, you don't know. All right. Guys, I think we will move on to word problems after this, okay? With a quick recap of subtraction, all right? Now, subtraction is literally taking away or reducing, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the bar method of subtraction. So please pay attention, see how it goes. Now, let's say, okay, all right, you have got, let's bring in money, okay? Let's say you have 100 ringgit. So I draw a bar and I draw an arrow from the one end of the bar to the other end of the bar, and that's my total. So how much money I have? Let's say I have 100 ringgit or 100 marbles, or if you don't want 100, you can make it any number, 1,150, it really depends. But to make things easier, let's just work with 100. So let's say you had 100 ringgit. Okay, so I'll put a RM sign, 100 ringgit. Okay, you guys, when someone teaches you using money, somehow it's a little bit easier for you. Money is important, isn't it? Hajita, what would you do with 100 ringgit if I were to give it to you now? Tell me.
Buy Bobox.
I didn't ask you. I am asking Hajita. Okay, Hajita, what would you do with 100 bucks?
Give it to my mom.
Oh my God, good girl.
Wow, generosity. Opposite of Durgesh.
I want to get light
Durgesh,
fruit. I was dreaming
you
for
tell
that
me
every
now, what
day.
would you do with 100 ringgit?
I go 7-Eleven, buy 2 Robux gift card and get the light fruit. Permanent
Wow,
light
you
fruit.
got
you don't even give
pinch
money
of
to your parents.
No, man. What did he say? I
I have
couldn't hear it
300
clearly.
He said go 7-Eleven
700.
and buy Box cards.
No, I mean
How much would that be?
I don't know.
Yeah, it will cost like 1,000 for 2
Oh,
gift
it's
cards.
Hey, what?
ringgit for 900.
Guys,
50 ringgit for
give me a
900.
money.
Yeah.
How much would that be?
Teacher.
50
ringgit
ringgit
for
for 100. I need 2.
100.
Okay, go buy Robux. Okay, how
Yeah.
much?
Yay.
20
And
ringgit.
900.
Hey, Ringgit lah, ringgit. Just say ringgit.
No,
Okay, imagine it's
50,
20.
Teacher, not that cheap, teacher. It's really hard to get. It will get like 200 over.
Okay, make it 80. Okay,
Okay.
80 means
How
I
do you
cannot
guys
draw.
know these prices?
Yeah, that means
Because
you
I
see
bought
how
it.
much their knowledge is. Okay, so let's go and buy Robux worth 80 ringgit. All right, so the 80 is over here. Now this money is now not in your pocket anymore. It has been taken away.
Oof.
Now, obviously, you all know the balance is 20. Yes or not? Okay, and this is called the remaining. Okay, this is the basic idea of the bar. Now, the numbers can change, even if it's 123,456, like what you would have in Standard 5. And this would be like 17,680. What is the remaining part? You had 123,456 ringgit. You bought a motorbike for 17,680. Maybe it's a Harley. Okay, maybe Harley is even more. How much money would you have left? So numbers can become big, but the idea of the bar stays the same. Now, sometimes stories can get a bit more complicated, like, I have so much amount of money. Okay, I'm going to erase all this. I have so much amount of money. Say Aloysius has these many 123,456 ringgit. Hajita has maybe a certain amount lesser than Aloysius. Maybe Hajita has 100 ringgit less than Aloysius. This is a common kind of question they would give you, Hajita so and so has something less. So if I'm going to draw a bar for Hajita, this bar has to be smaller. Get this right, okay? The bar for Hajita has to be smaller than the earlier bar that we drew for Aloysius. Because apparently the question says she has less. Less means this is where it will be. It won't be inside the bar. Okay, so less 100. So I'm going to give an easy example here. Maybe this is 1,000 ringgit. Hajita has 100 less. So Hajita has 900 ringgit. Do you understand? Now, Ilman, let's see we put another story. Ilman has 500 less than Hajita. So now the third bar will come up for Ilman with 500 less. Now, did I say Ilman has 500? No, I didn't say that Ilman has 500. I said Ilman has 500 lesser than Hajita. So from Hajita, the lesser part is here. And this is the 500. So you guys, all of you in chat, tell me, put in chat. All of you, tell me your answer. How much does Ilman have now? What is Ilman's amount of money? Put in chat. How much does he have? 500 less than Hajita. Oh, my goodness, the chat went up so much. Okay, thank you. 400. Good. Now, coming to Durgesh. Durgesh has 200 more than Ilman. So now my bar is going to go bigger than Ilman. This is 400, so I'll draw a bit more. An extra 200. So I'm going to draw my arrow, but this time it's a red arrow to show a bit more. This is still more by 200. Can you see the bar now? So of course here you have 400 and then you plus the 200, then you get to Ilman who will have, Durgesh, who will have 600. See, you just play around with the bars for more or less. Do you understand? Draw it smaller, draw it longer or shorter. Actually, draw it shorter, draw it longer, depending on the question. Do you understand? Can I have a thumbs up on this? Basic understanding of the bar. Okay? Can I have a thumbs up? If you guys are good, then we can move on. For our Sudarshan, are you okay? Ilman, Hajita, okay? Durgesh, are you all right? Good.
He's
Okay,
just
now
asking
let's
people what's their usernames.
What's usernames?
My
In
username
Roblox.
is Facebook123.
No, cannot ask all that. Okay,
Oh,
let's go to our module. Okay, maths form 2, it's the maths form 2 pula, maths standard 5. Lesson 5. It was subtraction. We had a bit more to do here. So
Teacher,
I hope
I
you can
actually finished
see
the whole
now.
module.
Oh, that's good. Great. So we'll discuss and see whether you have done it right or not. Okay. So
I do
here you
some,
can
I do
see
all.
we have done all this, okay, in our previous lesson. Have you all
don't know how
completed
to
page 1? Can I have a thumbs up from you all
Yeah.
for page 1? Any questions here that you'd like to review? Boleh ya? Okay, page 2. Remember this was a bit challenging?
Wait, this
Filling
is
in the
module
gaps?
5, right?
Yes, this is module 5.
I did some of the question and I left
I
out.
finished all of it.
Good. Durgesh, you have to finish this, okay, ASAP,
I
all
have
of
3
you.
more questions because I don't know how to do it.
Okay. Then this one was already
I
discussed
finished
last
it.
week.
Okay.
Not last week.
Oh,
Few
we're
days
doing
ago.
that
Now,
one. Hold on.
we are now here. Okay. At
Okay.
word problems. Are you
I
ready?
didn't even do this yet.
Am I recording or not? Let me check. Yes,
I
I
didn't
am.
do it
Yeah,
yet.
we are recording.
Yeah,
No.
thank you.
Wait, what?
All right. Okay, so
Can I
word
read?
problems. Let's start. Can I have Durgesh read this question?
Sally has 876 raffle tickets. Tiger has 469 raffle tickets. Together, they sell 984 tickets. How many do they have left?
Okay, good. Now, let's solve this using bar. Maybe you have used many other methods. It's fine. Maybe you have just straight away written the answer. Okay, but let's understand it via bars. Okay, so 1 bar first for Sally for 876 raffle tickets. And then Tyler, Durgesh, would you like to explain the question? How to do it? Okay, good. So let's then see how to solve it. So Sally, you draw a bar. You write 876. That is for Sally. Just write S is enough. Tiger has 469. At this point, the bar should be smaller a bit, but it's okay. All right. As long as we know 469. Now, together they sell 984. But first, we must find what is together. Together means both of them added together. So, can I have your answers in the chat? What is the total for Sally and Tiger first? That's the answer I want. Put in the chat the answer for, all of you should be giving me the same answer. Huh? Okay, put in chat. How much is Sally and Tiger all together? Thank you, Sudarshan. One answer came in. How about the rest? Durgesh, Ilman. One, okay. Aloysius came in. Hajita, Kyle. No, Kyle, I'm asking. See carefully, listen carefully. What is the total for Sally and Tiger? Sally has 876. Tiger has 469. Very good. You total this up, you should be getting 1,345. Okay, that's your total. From that total, they sell, question, they sell how much? 984. So I'm going to draw another bar to show how much they have sold, which is lesser than 1,345. So this one they sold. They sold how much? 984. So definitely there is a remainder. How much is this balance? That's what they are asking. How much have they left? So what do? You can see the bar for 1,345. You have sold this much. So we just do a simple subtraction. So how many tickets are left now? It's 1,345. Take away 984. And what's your answer? That's how much. Thank you, Sudarshan. Okay, I have got one answer from Sudarshan, 300. I cannot tell the answer. How about the rest? Tell me your answers now. Okay. If you have done it, then it's
Wait,
easier
I'm writing the
already.
stuff.
Okay. And you may need to also draw this to help you understand the bar. Okay. Now, if some of you, you think that, okay, I can do this straight away, which means your working should have been, all right, good, 361, good. Okay. So can I erase the bar and show you another way of doing this? Okay, now from drawing, we are going to go to a little bit more sophisticated method. Good. The answer should be 361. Okay, so now let's clear this drawing. And now let's do maybe a little bit more. Now, no more drawing, one level up. So first of all, you need to find how many tickets they have all together. So you can just write the word all together. Okay, you can see me typing. So you write the number sentence 876 plus 469 if you don't want to draw. Then, of course, the total was 1,300. Put your equals. Next line, 1,345. Then go to the next line. They sold 984. So how many left? So you just write left and go and write your equal sign. 1,345 minus with 984. Okay, and there goes your answer. You will have now 361. So you see that? I've showed you two methods, both pretty much the same. One using the bar to explain, to help you to understand what's happening. And the second one is what we famously know as the number sentence. Okay, being able to write this out will be your ultimate A in your maths. If you can understand, okay, yeah, 361, that's your answer. Of course, doing the question like this, 876 plus 469, this is your method, your calculation. You are showing your calculation. When you grow big, literally this is going to be replaced by the calculator. But this cannot. The calculation can soon be done by the calculator. But the way to think and to answer, that one still lies with you. All right, Durgesh? Okay. Now, let's go on to number 2. Okay. This time, you have to try to understand. Okay, let's ask Kyle to read. Can I have you read this question, girl? 3 local.
3 local high schools have a total of 4,500 students. The first two high schools have 1,756 and 1,147 students. How many students does the third high school have?
Okay, so a simple bar, one bar should be enough, okay, to explain the question. And I always like to draw the question out. So 3 local schools. So I have 3 schools, school 1, school 2, school 3. Okay. Are you all following? All right, Durgesh, are you following? Are you drawing? Please draw these on your module, Durgesh. And all of you, the rest of you as well, draw it. Okay, don't just, I'm drawing here. You are also supposed to draw it as I'm doing it. The 3 schools have a total of 4,500. This is how you should draw. And this is how you should draw the arrow as well and show 4,500. The first 2 schools have 1,756 and then here 1,147. Hajita, tell me the number sentence now. How do I find the third school? Now, straight away, let's go and do the number sentence. Yes,
We
I
need to
know.
take
Oh
the
my.
first high school number of students
Mhm.
and the second high school's number of students.
Okay. And then?
We need
And do what?
We need a minus here, I think. We
You
need a
mean
plus
take
here.
Think carefully. Do I take 1756 and minus with 1147?
No, we should
Look,
add
look
it
at the picture. All right. So you see now the diagram is there to help you. Can I have Sudarshan? Can you help to answer? How do I get the number sentence?
1,756 minus 1,147.
Really?
No, plus 100.
Plus, is it?
Yes.
Teacher, plus 4,500.
Wow. Samu plus 4,500. Really?
What?
Teacher, no teacher. No,
And then? How do you write it then?
so 4,500 we have to plus with 1,756. So you'll get the answer of 6,256.
Why do I take 4,500 and plus 1,007?
No.
Look at, are you looking at the drawing? Can you all see the drawing? So this is the first school. This is the second school. What are we finding? We are finding the third school. Right or not? We want to know how much is this. Yes or not? So when I want to find the third school, what do I need to do? Really? You see, very simple, huh? Altogether, I have 10 ringgit. Okay, now it's 10 ringgit, not 4,500. Money will make it work, you see. I have 10 ringgit. In one pocket, I have 3 ringgit. The other pocket, I have 2 ringgit. Make sure, like imagine I got another pocket. How many ringgit will be here? If this is 3 and this is 2, altogether it's 10. What would be in my third pocket? How much is it here?
5.
5. Sudarshan, correct. How did you get the 5? How did you get the 5 using the 3 and the 2 and the
You have
10?
to plus the 3 and the 2, you get 5. So then you know the final answer because 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, so in other words, you took the 10 and you take away the 3 and you take away the 2. Is that correct? Do you all agree? I take my 10. Okay, I take my 10 and I take away the 3 and I take away the 2 and I'm going to end up with 5. Do you all agree on that? If that's the case, why can't I do it with a bigger number? The bigger number will be 4,500. Take away 1,756. Take away 1,147. And it lands me with my answer. Got it? So now you do the harder number, the more challenging number. You already saw how it was with the easier number.
Oh,
So
teacher,
your
now,
number sentence.
teacher, we had to 1,756. We had to plus with 1,147. Then the answer we think minus or plus.
Well, you can do that. You see, this is the part you are not sure. Are you going to plus? Are you going to minus? As a math student, you must be very sure what you're going to do. You see that? And what is the point of this picture? The point of this picture is to help you become certain of what you want to do. Do you follow and did you listen to that example that I gave earlier?
Yeah.
That if you had $10, okay, and in this pocket you had 3, and this pocket you had 3. Now I'm changing the question, okay?
Why?
Maybe, okay, I don't want 3. Okay, hold on. Maybe I
Your
have
school
2
notice
here.
that.
Maybe I have 4, okay? All right, $3 here, $4 here,
Going to YouTube.
It's 3.
okay?
3.
Who's that? Durgesh, is it? Is it?
No, it's
Can
not
you
me.
please mute your mic? Okay, thank you. So listen carefully. $10 is the total. One pocket has 3 ringgit. Another pocket has 4 ringgit. How do I find my third? I just take 10, take away the 3, take away the 4, and I'm going to end up with 3 here. Did you all get that? Because 3 plus 4 plus 3 is going to give you 10. Okay? So using a more difficult number, like 1,700 or whatever, you now write your number sentence. The third school would be, use the total first, 4,500 minus with that 1,756 minus with 1,147, and that's it. Straight away gets you the answer. Do a double subtraction. Now, sometimes a lot of you tend to add. You like to add. You like to add this number and this number. You say, okay, teacher, we add first. Okay? You add. What happened to my pen now? Hold on. You like to add, say, I want to add first. Can. No problem. But when you add this number, you don't after that go and take this answer and minus 4,005. Your 4,005 must minus your answer. That's where you get always do your, that's where you do your careless mistakes. Okay, you will say, oh teacher, we just add. Okay, add 1,756, add with 1,147. Okay, I'm adding. This will be 13. This will be 10. 7, 8, 9. Did you get this? 2,905. Then you might make the careless mistake of saying, take 2,905 minus 4,005, which is absolutely wrong. Okay, so that is why it's better and safer to work with the big number minus the two small numbers. Now, what I want you to do is after class, take a snapshot of this page and post it in the WhatsApp group. Maybe you can do it now itself.
I don't know
Alright,
how
I
to
want to
screenshot.
see. Yeah,
I don't know how to screenshot.
of course you can screenshot. You don't screenshot your module. Take your camera,
Oh.
take a picture of your
But I
module.
use computer. Do I just take the computer and do this?
Huh?
Do I
What
do
is
this?
that? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
But where is your
okay.
answer? Okay. All right. Have you got your answers?
Okay.
Okay, good. Then I want you to snapshot and put it in the WhatsApp group. All right. Now, that's number 2. Okay, solving number 2 using diagram. I want you to draw it. Okay. Let's clear this. Moving on to question number 3. Sally travels. Okay, Aloysius, can you read this question?
Sally travels 1,725 miles by plane, 528 miles by train, and 273 miles by car. How far was her journey in all?
Very good. 1 bar. Okay. So this lady travels in 3 different modes of transportation. So let's just put 3 different parts. The biggest number here, 1,700, then 500 something, then 273. So this is by plane, 1,725 miles. Okay, miles is another way to measure distance. In Malaysia, we use kilometer, standard written method in school, you know, standard measurement. In schools uses meters. Here in like places like US, they use miles. 528 miles by train, not meters, this is not meters, okay, this is miles. And this is 273 miles by car. How far was her journey? Question is very simple, asking us to find the grand total. Got it? So number sentence now. You must be able to, I want to see the drawing and the number sentence. So all you write here total. Let me use red color. Wait, you guys okay or not? Okay. Let's ask Kyle. Okay, Kyle, what should I write? What should I write here now?
Okay, the 1,725.
Okay.
Then we have to
1,700.
plus. You have to plus with 528 miles. So we
Okay,
get the
good.
answer. The answer we have
No,
to
no, no.
plus.
Okay, go ahead. Answer we have to.
plus with 273 miles. So you get
Can
the
I
answer.
straight away do this like this without getting the answer first?
No.
Can I straight away write it?
Hmm?
Cannot.
Cannot.
Durgesh, can I straight away write it
No.
and do it? Huh? Cannot. You mean to
No.
say I cannot write 1,725? I cannot do this plus 528 plus
Get.
273. Can't I do this, Kyle?
And
Maybe you should ask your mommy to come and help there, Kyle, and
Then
ask her to.
my mother went to work and she's shirtless.
Oh,
And I'm
okay,
just so
okay.
sleepy.
She asking my chewing gum.
Okay. Now, Kyle, can we write like this, all three together?
Can.
No.
Can.
Can. You have done these questions, right? Addition.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you can write it like that, why can't you write it like this? Thank you, Sudarshan. Okay. You can definitely write in one sentence. That's why we call it a number sentence. Everything is there. Add up and get your answer. And only Sudarshan has given me so far. Can I have the rest? How come your two answers are different, Sudarshan? Which one should I follow?
So teacher, another way we can just maybe in your screen you can do it and then you can see the final answer.
Okay, what is that?
Big brain.
Aloysius, so far so good? With this, shouldn't be a problem for you. How about Ilman and Famida and Hajita? Can I have your answers in the chat? Yes, correct. 2,526. That should be your total. Okay. Here, 2,526. Yes, you must do the standard written method, the long calculation, which can be done in one single line. Addition only you can do like this. You cannot do this for subtraction. Remember that. Okay. Only for addition, you can straight away add up in this column method. Okay. And find your answer and write back your answer over here. Can I have a thumbs up to go to the next question? Durgesh, are you okay following? Have you done this?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
So
Famida, okay.
sleepy.
All right. Sudarshan, good. Okay. Next question. Then you should go and wash your face, boy. All right. Okay. Next question will be, can I have Famida? At the start of the week,
At the start of the week, a pizza company has 1,500 pizzas. They sell 674 of the pizzas on Monday and 482 more pizzas on Tuesday. How many pizzas do they have left?
okay, thank you very much. All of you, please be very careful. Total 1,500. Okay, this is the first
Water
information.
literally went in my nose.
Okay, fine. They sell 674 pizzas on Monday. Okay, so you have a Monday, you have so much. But my question, did they sell 482 on Tuesday? Answer me. Yes or
Yes.
no? Put in chat.
Yeah.
Yes. Listen to my question carefully. Did they sell 482 pizzas on Tuesday?
yes. Eh? Oh, no.
Ah,
482
ah.
plus 674.
It's not
That's
about
how
a
much
maybe,
it
yeah.
sells.
It's not a maybe there. Okay, you got to be
More
yes or no.
pizzas.
Teacher, no
The
teacher,
word
because they say more.
More.
yes, thank you.
Probably went
Noted.
Plus
482 over.
plus.
Okay, okay, good, good. Well done. Got it. So now let's draw. Okay, let's use our bar. In the beginning, we had 1,005. Okay, so this is our beginning bar. We have 1,500 pizzas. Now, on Monday, they sell 674. So on Monday, 674 is sold. Okay. Now, you need to find how many pizzas were sold on Tuesday. Then only you can have the balance. Do you understand? So if you have the amount for Tuesday, then you can take this total, take away your Monday, take away your Tuesday, and end up with the balance. Do you understand? But my question earlier was Tuesday 482. Some of you said yes. Most of you said no. Tuesday is not 482. Tuesday, it's 482 more on Tuesday. So if Monday was 674, Tuesday is 482 more than 674, which means for Tuesday, it is a lot of pizzas. It must be how much then? 482 plus with the Monday's pizza, which is 674. Do you see the diagram? Do you see the bar? Tuesday is a lot. So now I want all of you to just find what's the calculation for Tuesday. Add up and tell me what answer is here. 484 and 482, darling. 482 plus 674. Put in your answers in the chat. What's the total here? 1156. Well done, which means Tuesday, we sold a lot. Hey, is this question correct?
I don't think so.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I don't think so. Because now it's already more than 1,000 already.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, let's read the question again. They sell 674 on pizzas on Monday, and
482
I
more.
think they shouldn't have the word more there. The more is a confusing word.
Did you make this?
No. I took it off from another resource. Okay. So they sell 674 on Monday and 482 more pizzas on Tuesday. I think literally what they meant is 482 pizzas then, because you cannot have sell and unless you have got
They
more.
magically
But-
have a lot of
Okay, in
pizzas.
order, what we can do now here, we understand, okay, more pizzas on Tuesday. We change the question a bit. Okay, make this
Wait.
now instead of
Teacher.
1,005. Yeah.
There was
Make this
1,500 pizzas they already baked, but this one Tuesday 482 more pizzas. When they do, they bake more pizzas on Tuesday. So the answer we have to put on Tuesday.
Just
Then
minus.
you can minus. You
This
can
is
minus
confusing.
Correct. Okay, never mind. Assuming, okay, these 482 more pizzas on Tuesday. The word more here, sometimes it's a bit confusing. Okay, so let's just keep it this way. Okay, I'm going to erase everything. Let's restart. 1,005. Okay, take it 674 on Monday because it's supposed to be easy level 1-star questions. Okay, and then 482 pizzas on Tuesday. Cancel the word more. Okay, the more shouldn't be there. All right. Okay, just 482 pizzas on Tuesday. That's it. Now your bar should be the same bar. One is for Monday, one is for Tuesday, and the balance is for remaining. This one is not a difficult question. It's supposed to be 1-star. So Monday, 674. Tuesday, the word, take off the word more, no more word more. 482 pizzas on Tuesday. So Tuesday is straight away just 482, not more or less. Okay. Then you find how many pizzas are left.
Minus.
Of course,
Minus.
minus only.
The
Straight
same
away, this
thing
is
as
your
the
total.
thing.
This is the total of 1,500 pizzas. So number sentence is going to be, can I have Sudarshan? Tell me what's the number sentence looking like. Left. Start with left. Or you can say pizzas left.
674
Yes, go ahead.
674 minus 482.
Why do I minus?
-4?
Okay.
So we need to plus it.
Huh?
Why minus?
Oh, wait. Minus and plus is the same way.
Sudarshan, can you repeat your answer again? What did you do?
Teacher, the reason why I said minus is because one sentence they say they sell 674 out of 1,500 pizzas. So I have to minus
Okay, good. So what do I minus? What minus what?
1,500 minus 674.
Very good. Okay, after that?
Then after you get your answer for that, you have to minus 482 again.
Good. Can I write it like this? Can you see the writing here? What you said, I wrote. 1,500 minus 674 minus 482. This is correct. You can definitely write a number sentence like this. You should. That will tell you exactly what to do. Do you understand, Hajita? Now at the side here is where you do your calculation. You start 1,500. You minus, do the standard written method, 674, but you must find answer first. You must draw a line, find your answer, the first part. Then minus again 482. Guys, you've done this type of questions in your school. This is a 2-level subtraction question. But coming to a word problem, you now need to be able to draw the problem, imagine, and create this. Create the same number sentence, which then you can solve using the skills that you have learned in school. Double subtraction, or you call this the 2-level subtraction. Why 2-level? Ilman, can you answer me? Where is the 2-level here? Can you see this subtraction? Can you see there are 2 levels? This is answer 1, level 1, and this is level 2. That's why we call it 2 levels. Can we do this like addition straight away, right? The 482 over here? Cannot. Cannot do that for subtraction. Okay, I'm sure you guys know that by now. All right. Tell me your answers in the chat. What is your answer for this question? Good, good. Thanks, Kyle. Okay, how about the rest? Very good, Famida. Well done. So this is your number sentence, guys. Go down to the next line. Go write the equal sign below the equal sign. And then, of course, your answer, 344, just add up with the pizzas at the back. That's it. You already wrote pizzas left. Remember, your number sentence cannot be hanging. You cannot start with just equals. I think I've told you about this. Something must equal something. So on the left, you see the word pizza left. That means how many pizzas left. Then on the right, you have done your number sentence. Then on the further right, you have done your calculation. Then at the bottom, you put back your answer. Complete 100% your maths question. Can I have a thumbs up if you understood this? Still doing. Okay, Hajita. Ken. Ilman, are you there? Good. Famida, good. Durgesh, can you follow? Kyle? Kyle, don't know where she went. Kyle went to take care of her sister, I think. Okay, good. So I'm going to clear. Can I clear now, guys? Clear the drawing, okay?
Can, teacher.
Okay, good. Let's move on now to level 2 or 2 star. Okay, a little bit harder, a bit more challenging. Okay? Not yet. All right. Okay, let's ask Ilman, can you read this, please?
Okay, teacher. There are 687 fishes in an aquarium. 300
38 of them were guppies and the rest were clownfish. Nick
Okay.
put another 100 clownfish were added in. How many clownfish are there in the aquarium now?
All right. Okay, good. Okay. Hold on a minute. Our class started at what time? 9:15, right? We end at 10:30. Okay? 1 hour, 15 minutes. All right. There are 687 fishes. So that is the total fish in the aquarium. 338 of them were guppies and the rest were clownfish. So you see, these are the important information. Draw my bar. Oh, my mouse is working a bit crazy today. Draw the bar. Okay. And I have got two types of fish. One is guppies. Okay, guppies, which is 338. Draw, draw. And then the rest are clownfish. So I put the CF. And we don't know how much, but we know the total fish inside the aquarium, it's 687. Hold on, where's my arrow? Okay, this is my total fish. So the first part of our job is finding how many clownfish are there. So, number sentence. First, you find in the beginning. In the beginning, how many clownfish were there? So you write clownfish, okay, equals to, how do I get my first clownfish in the beginning? Thank you, Sudarshan, for that number sentence. Okay. How about, let's ask Famida. How do I get my clownfish? The first part. Here, just this answer only.
687 minus 338.
Very good. 687 minus with 338. Good. That gives you the beginning part of the story. There's so many
Teacher?
clownfish.
What time our class finish?
Yes. Not yet, not yet.
Oh, what time our class
10:30.
finish?
10:30.
Oh,
You went out just now, isn't it? We were just discussing. I said 10:30. Now,
I
what
was
happens?
here. Teacher, my father called me, say I need to go to temple.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, we're going to finish soon, okay? Nick put another 150 clownfish. Remember, he put clownfish only into the aquarium, were added in. So what happens now? The clownfish, another extra 150 came in. So you draw one more little bar together with the clownfish there, add it on, and you have another 150. So now, how many clownfish are there? So that is where you have to add another 150 to your number sentence. And thank you, Sudarshan. He wrote the number sentence out. And this is how you get to your answer. Work out the calculation. Of course, this is called a mixed operation because it has subtraction followed by addition. Durgesh, do you understand? Sudarshan, Aloysius, okay, so far so good. Okay. Hajita, Famida, Ilman, okay? Can I have a thumbs up? So then you find what's the answer. And can I have the answer in the chat, guys? Because it's an easy question. What's your answer? Put in the chat. Okay. Why do we have different answers? The minute we have different answers means something went wrong. Okay, I've got two people giving me the same answers now. Sudeshan, check your answer again. Durgesh, where's your answer? Ilman?
Who typed the same answers?
Only I will know. Okay, so Ilman, okay, we started with Aloysius 499, correct? Famida, correct, 499. Durgesh, 499. Hajita, how did you get 1175? Something went wrong. Sudarshan also. Okay, something has gone wrong. Recheck your answer. You're supposed to do a subtraction first because the other kind of fish were guppies. We want to find clownfish. So we take 687 and minus the guppies away, we end up with clownfish. And then we added 150 clownfish some more. So that is why I add another 150. So there is a subtraction first, then only add another 150. Can you see the picture? The bar? Take away the guppies, find the clownfish. Add another 150 clownfish. Clear? Okay, Durgesh? Okay, Famida? Ilman? Hajita, Sudarshan? Okay, so far? Okay, let's move on now. I think, do we have the last question here? Yeah, last question. Oh, continues. My goodness. I'm sorry, I missed out all the other answers. Okay, but you have the answers on your side. Okay, now, Nick, what did he do? He then removed 136 clownfish and he also removed 125 guppies. What is the difference between the number of guppies and clownfish now? So remember from your earlier question, okay, I think I need to go back to my earlier question. All right, there you go. Let's go up. Okay, it looks very bad. Okay, let me erase a bit. Okay, erase all these. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let me erase also all these unwanted things. Get back to the diagram. You're going to use the same diagram again, okay? All right. So this was your number sentence earlier. Okay. All right. So far, this is your picture, right? Your number sentence earlier was 687. Okay, how many clownfish left? Was 687 minus 338 plus with 150, and you guys give me the answer of 499. Yes, Sudarshan, the answer is wrong. Hajita also, huh? Check back your answers. The answer should be 499 clownfish. Okay. Now in that aquarium, there is 499. Yes, Sudarshan. Do you want me to work out the calculation?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, 687 minus 338. Okay, take out the guppies first. You're going to have how much? This is 7. 17 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. And then I add another 150 guppies. That was the first story. So 9, 9, and 4. That's how I got my 499. You see that? Okay, so now in our story, we have guppies 338 and clownfish 499. That's what you need to know. Okay, so I'm going to erase this all at the side. Remember these two numbers for the next question. Okay, so for the next question, Nick then removed 136 clownfish. So let's put this somewhere. Can I write this out somewhere? Now, how many clownfish do I have? My clownfish is 499. Okay. And my guppies earlier itself was 338. This is inside the pond after you have added. So now I'm going to clear all these. Okay. Clear all these. And let's look at the second question. The second question starts off with this information. Clownfish is 499, guppies is 338. What did our friend do? He removed 136 clownfish. So, go to your number sentence, straight away write clownfish minus 136. And he also removed 125 guppies. Go to your number sentence and minus 125, guppies. Do your standard written method and work out now How many clownfish do you have after 136 is removed? How many guppies do you have? Tell me now in the chat. How many clownfish? How many guppies are there? You see the subtraction on the page? Do the standard written method at the side. So we have 499 clownfish minus with 136. Find the answer for this. Put in chat. And then go to guppies. 338 minus 125. Do the standard written method. Tell me what's the answer in the chat for these two. Okay, let's see your chat. Durgesh, something wrong with your answer. Clownfish, 363. Guppies, 213. Very good. Okay, 300. If you got 363, okay, earlier I saw 303. Okay, good. So you see now, you have found now just how many clownfish and how many guppies. That's it. Okay, so clownfish is 363, correct? So right there, 363. And then guppies were how much? 213. Okay, so 213. Good. You got this already right. Now look at the question again. Find the difference. You know what's difference? Perbezaan. That means there must be two numbers. One number must be smaller, one number must be bigger. And we got to find the difference. So now, start another new sentence called difference. Put an equal sign there. Okay, make sure you're following. Start another sentence. Write the word difference. Put an equal sign. And then you have two numbers. One is for the clownfish and one is for the guppies. I want you to think and tell me which one is the bigger number, which one is the smaller number, and write out the number sentence and put it in the chat. There are two numbers here. One is the clownfish, one is the guppies. We want to find the difference. To find the difference, the bigger number subtracts the smaller number. Put in the chat. Yes, Sudarshan, that literally must translate to a subtraction. Okay, so in other words, your number sentence would be 363 minus 213. Difference means subtraction. Bigger number minus smaller number. Clownfish is our bigger number. Guppies is our smaller number. Then do the subtraction. Finally, you get one answer here. Put it in the chat. Thank you. Well done, Famida. Well done, Durgesh. Well done. Not Durgesh yet. Durgesh also. Hajita, good. Sudarshan, good. So your answer, your difference is 150. And how about the unit? It's just fish. Okay, it's not clown, it's not guppies. It's just the number of fishes. That's it. Do you understand this question now? This is a band 5 question, definitely, but with easy numbers. You see, there's no point me giving you all the difficult numbers if you don't understand the thinking, the maths behind. Now, if I give you millions also, you can do. You understand? But the first part is understanding the question. You see, earlier, the fella had, in the first question, the first part, there were so many fish in the aquarium, so many guppies, rest were clownfish. Then you add some clownfish. That's the first story. How many clownfish are there in the aquarium? The second part goes to having a certain number of clownfish and the guppies in the aquarium, and Nick then removes. Removes means subtract. So you do the subtraction, you get 363 clownfish, 213 guppies. Then the question asks, what is the difference? So you must read the question slowly, part by part. Okay, and then only you can understand. Find the difference means there must be a bigger number minus smaller number. Always remember this. Difference means subtraction. One must be a big number, the other must be a small number. That's all. Then you know clownfish is 363, guppies is 213, minus, and you get 150 fish. There's no more clown or guppies now. That's right. And with that, we end our session for today. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording.